Welcome to our comprehensive guide on adding a service-based business to your account. This tutorial is your roadmap to easily manage and integrate your services. Before we dive in, ensure you're logged into your account. If you're new here, don't worry. Our previous tutorial video perfectly guides you through the account creation process. Once logged in, navigate to the Your Businesses section. This is your gateway to expanding your business's digital footprint. Let's begin by adding your service-based business. Click on the AD button and then choose Service. A pop-up will appear, which is your canvas to paint the details of your business. In this instance, let's consider you're setting up a landscaping business, specializing in lawn mowing and grass cutting. Remember, the more specific you are about your services, the better it is for your potential clients. Now, it's time to personalize your service listing. Start by typing in a compelling description. Are you offering bespoke grass cutting services? Or perhaps your expertise lies in sculptural lawn mowing. Next, choose tags that best represent your service. These are crucial for making your service easily discoverable. Adding a splash of color to your listing not only makes it visually appealing, but also helps it stand out. An image speaks 1,000 words, and this is particularly true for your service. Upload a high-quality image that best represents your service. For example, a photo showcasing meticulous lawn mowing can instantly communicate the excellence and precision of your work. Setting the geographical scope of your service is next. Define the area where you offer your services by marking it on the map. This step is vital as it ensures you connect with clients in your service area, optimizing your business's operational efficiency. Now let's define the nature of your service. Is it time-based where you charge by the hour? Or is it quality-based, focusing on the premium nature of your service? Here, we will focus on a time-based model. Should your organization offer multiple tiers of service, kindly detail them in this section. This information is crucial to provide our clients with a comprehensive understanding of the various options available. The work order form is the backbone of your service offering. It's not just a form, it's the bridge between you and your clients. You can opt for a manual setup or use our friendly Gene prompt, which simplifies the process, and add various blocks to your form. Informative blocks for essential information, collector blocks for client details, and so on. Arrange these blocks thoughtfully, ensuring a seamless flow of information. Setting up your booking block is crucial. Here, you'll detail your working hours, specify the duration of appointments, and outline available days. For example, if you operate from 9:00 a.m. to 5:00 and take 2 hours per landscaping appointment, this is where you'll set these parameters. Don't forget to add an address block. This is where your clients will fill in the location details for the service. As you wrap up your form, add any additional information blocks that you deem necessary. Maybe you want to include an extra details block for special instructions or a summary block for a quick overview of the service. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement and content of your form, preview it. This is how your clients will see and interact with your service. Make sure it's intuitive, informative, and user-friendly. If everything looks great, go ahead and hit Publish. Congratulations! Your service is now live. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Your account settings are a powerful tool. Here, you can edit your work order form, manage requests, and view active and completed orders. It's also the place to add those extra touches to your service list. Want to tweak your service description? Or maybe add more images showcasing your excellent work? This is where you can do it all. In your settings, you can also manage the visibility of your service, control access, and even set up regional exceptions. This flexibility allows you to tailor your service offering to specific client needs and market demands? And that's how you successfully add a service-based business to your account. Stay tuned for our upcoming updates, and thank you for choosing our platform to grow your business.